So you're learning how to ride a scooter for the very first time. Well, this is a beginner's guide to help you along with that process. First things first is a good riding position. You want to ride with your head in an upward forward position, and you want your back to be straight. You want your arms to be bent at a 90-degree angle. Now move it on to starting the scooter. To start the scooter, you want to turn off the kill switch button, turn the key, hold the brake, and then press the start button or the ignition button. Now before you start to drive, you should know that you should never have your hands hovered over the brakes. And then you want to make sure you always have your wrist straight when you pull the throttle. Never bend your wrist when pulling the throttle. Pull off slowly, not too fast. You want to be able to get your balance. So you want to pull the throttle nice and slow, not too tight, not too hard, and maybe even jerk it a few times just to get a hang of it, slight. And if you've ever ridden a bicycle before, then you know that the faster you go, the easier it is to keep your balance. So you want to work yourself up to a steady speed. It's all about taking it slow. So I'm gonna start pulling the throttle at a slow, steady speed. So a slow, pulling the throttle slowly. You can keep your legs on the ground and kind of move with the bike. And then once you get to a speed where your legs are moving faster than the bike can keep up, you want to lift your legs off the ground and keep that steady speed. So you'll see my feet as I slowly go. I'm going to walk with the scooter. And once I gain enough speed and my feet can't keep up with the scooter's speed anymore, I'm going to lift them up. And when you're driving, especially at high speeds, never squeeze the brake too hard, too fast, because you can lock the wheel, and locking the wheel can cause you to drop your bike and you fall off your bike as well, or scooter. So I'm going to show you again what my legs look like running forward. So you'll see my legs as I'm slowly pulling. I'll walk my legs forward, and once I get a fast enough speed, I'll lift them. And there you have it. If you stick with this walk with it, run with it method, riding a scooter is easy as riding a bike. And that's your guide of riding a scooter for the very first time. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment section below. I also have a guide of how to ride a scooter for dummies. However, that video is a bit of a tomfoolery, me playing around, joking around, being silly. You're welcome to check out that video too. You might find some tips helpful in that video as well. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye.